Good morning, student. Today I am going to start this poem Indian Weavers, which was written by Sarojini Naidu, where she has talked about three types of dresses that the Indian weavers weave at the three particular times of the day, and has linked the stage of man's life with three these garments. This poem shows a discussion between the poetess and the weavers, where she asks the weavers and the latter reply. So let's start the poem. In the first stanza of the poem, weavers weaving at break of day, why do you weave a garment so gay, blue as a wing of falcon, while we weave the robe of newborn child. So in a first stanza of the poem, poetess asks to weavers what they are weaving, and the poetess questions the weaver that why are they weaving clothes early in the morning. That seems to be quite beautiful and charming and of a particular color. The poet is curious to know about these clothes as they seem quite special. The weavers reply that the clothes that they are weaving are blue as the wing of a falcon, which is the other name of a kingfisher, the name of bird. Okay, as kingfisher has a beautiful wings and bright blue in color. The weaver says that they are weaving the robes of a newborn child who has just come to the world. This stranger describes the first stage of a human life, which is full of freshness, happiness, and beauty. And there is no place for a sorrow at this stage. So, in the second stanza of the poem, weavers weaving at fall of night, why do you weave a garment so bright like the plumes of a peacock, purple and green? We weave the marriage well of a queen. So in the second stanza of the poem, again a poetess meet two weavers and ask to those people what they are weaving during the fall of night, and ask why they are weaving a cloth late in the evening, which is the time when most of the Indian marriage take place. She also asked why they are weaving a garments so bright like the plum of a peacock, purple and green. So the color of the cloth is like a peacock's wing. The weavers reply that the cloth is bright and richly colored because they are weaving it for a queen, which she will use to make her marriage well. This stranger describes the second or adult stage of life when human quest for a better and prosperous life. The colors purple and green symbolize the ups and downs of the life that makes adulthood bright. So this is the second stanza of the poem. So last is a third stanza, which start from weavers weaving a Solomon and still, what do you weave in the moonlight chill? White as a feather and white as a cloud, we weave a dead man's funeral shroud. So in this stanza, the poet finds the weavers quite sorrowful, grieved and silent. They are weaving something weird in the dead of the night, which is colorless and lifeless. So rather than asking why are they weaving, she asks what are they weaving. The weavers reply that they are weaving shroud, which means a cloth used to put on the dead body, and this represents the final stage of human life, that is death, which is lifeless and emotionless, just like a white cloud or a feather. However, the white color also symbolizes eternal peace and calm that come with death. So, this is the poem Indian Weavers, which describe three stages of human life one by one, and symbols of the colors also there. Like this was a Indian Weavers stanza wise summary, which I already described. Okay, thank you.